50 bucks in Feng Shui? What would you do? Hey everyone, Amanda here, and today's question comes in from Doug. He wants to know, if I only had 50 bucks to spend on Feng Shui, what would I do? Doug, I would tell you to refer back to my top 5 disruptors. This is a great place to start because the top 5 disruptors are what you can see as being the most disruptive to your Feng Shui in your space, whether that's your home or your office. 2 free things that you can do is to make sure that everything is in command. So that would be your bed, desk, and stove. And then clean up your front door. If you have followed me for any amount of time, you know the importance of the front door and how it brings life and vitality to your spaces. So whether that's your home or your office, start with your front door. I would also look to see if you have any knife edges. Knife edges are where walls come together, similar to what I have on the side of me here. And those knife edges, if they are pointed to you at your bed, desk, or stove, can cause a lot of health issues and other anxiety issues. So look to see if you have those. And if you do, then what you can do is purchase a crystal. They're not that expensive. They're about 20 bucks. Look to see where your bathrooms are. Your bathrooms are also a big disruptor as far as Feng Shui goes. And hey, here's the thing. It's a modern day convenience that we all want to have. But if you have one that's sitting on a particular gua, and if you don't know what that is, be sure to go back and check out my podcast on the Bagua map. If you're experiencing issues in a particular area of your life and you have a bathroom that's sitting on that gua, you can go out and purchase a mirror and immediately alleviate that issue. And a mirror over your door can easily be 10 to 12 bucks. And finally, I would determine if you have any missing pieces. This is something else if you go back and look at our blog posts and also our podcast. We have a lot of information about this, and you can learn about if you have a missing piece. And if you do, all you need is a mirror to fix it. All of those things would be easy to accomplish under 50 bucks. Have a question for What the Feng Shui? Reach out to me. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, or email me at letschat@thegatescompany.com.